Check out this 2000 Chevrolet Impala. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: steel wheels, cruise control, dual airbags, air conditioning, tilt wheel, CD, single disc, and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.